flipping into Mardi Gras break. Oh! Dogs are tripping.
Good morning, y'all. It's LA Appliance Guy. How's everybody doing? It is a beautiful morning here in the appliance paradise. Look what we got. A Whirlpool. Pretty nice. It's dirty. A little stinky. Yeah, stinky. A lot stinky. But somebody's been playing. Somebody has bypassed the walls. So they just have it running through the condenser and into the capillary tube. So yeah, somebody's been playing and there's no Freon in it. So we need to check for leaks real quick. But I have my suspicions that either we got a leak or a bad compressor. Let's check her out. Whew, dang. Stank. Alrighty. Let's see. Pump her on up to about 200 and we'll see if we got any leaks. Pow pow. Oh, it is a xiparta. My favorite compressor. The xiparta. I don't know how to say it. I'm probably butchering it. Alrighty, she's sitting at 200, just over, and we got some bubbles. Let's see if there's any leaks down here. No, I don't see any. So they bypassed the walls, which is not a big deal. So the only place that could be a leak is in the evaporator. And I don't smell anything. Usually if there's a leak in the evaporator, you can smell. I know I'm nasally and I'm kind of clogged, but you could still smell that Freon and oil smell. So we'll give it a little bit, make sure it doesn't have a leak, and have some coffee. Go juice. All right, well, these boxes are pretty good. They have the little, I forget what they call these things, Hercules boards maybe? Or maybe that's just the freezers, but we can put it into defrost if I can remember how, once we get it cooling, if we can get it cooling. But goodness gracious, if there was a Freon smell, it'd be hard to smell it over the stank. It's gonna need a bleaching. Take your breath away.
10 minutes later.
So, we've been sitting right perfectly at 200. So, I guess we'll let the air out and then we'll plug the unit in with nothing in there and we'll see if it cools down in a vacuum. Usually, if the compressor's good, it pulls down close to 30, almost 29 in a vacuum. If it's weak, it usually barely gets to about half that. Oh, there's your technical data sheet if you wanted to test your crap. Yeah, that'll tell us exactly how to put it into diagnostic and check the defrost, but pretty much you just do it with the little butterinos in there and then we'll check the heater. No reason to put a timer and thermostat in there like we've done before if it's good, and that's bad. Yeah, compressor's on. Oh yeah. Barely pumping. Yep. Barely pumping. She gone. All right. And these baby. One ground. Alrighty, so time to light this thing on fire. So we're gonna go ahead and start heating this old Schrader valve, pull it out, because I'm gonna put it into the other compressor when we get it in, the embraco. Then we'll heat the low side, pull it out, and heat the high side and pull it out. This is all copper, so it's gonna be super duper easy. Should be a quick one. I should not have any leaks, but you know how that goes. I'm not the best solderer in the world, but copper to copper is pretty simple. All right, so just grab a hold of that hot xiparta compressor and snatch it out. It's going to be hard going under this dryer because of the way that they ran it, but no big deal. It's kind of like working on the LGs. Slap the embraco in. Here we go. Just going to swedge this copper a little bit so I can fit that Schrader valve in here on the charging side. And 3. We'll put that one back there. Yeah. Most important wire. Pow. All right. Alrighty, time to light it up like a potbelly stove. This has a little silver on it already, so really just got to warm it a bit and drop a little bit on there. I only have about a 4 or 5 inch piece left from the last one, and I didn't grab another one, so I got to make this go. Then we'll pull the old Schrader valve that was in the embraco out. That's the low side, so you can use the low side on the left or the right, and the high side is the smaller line. So just gonna heat it real quick, get it red until it pulls right out, and then shove the line in there and put some solder to it. It's nothing to it really. Copper to copper is easy peasy. Steel to copper is where you get into the fun stuff. Alrighty, quick check for leaks. No leaky? No leaky? No leaky? Alright. Suck it up. Yeah. Alrighty, time to give it the juice. Ooh. See, I made some Thai spicy chicken. Very spicy. Delicious. Alrighty. Quiet. Oh yeah, we're pumping now. Alrighty, old Stanky, cooling on down. Cool. See what she does. Well, that's how you get rid of a xiparta compressor in a Whirlpool top freezer refrigerator and put in an embraco or embraco, however you say it. Yeah, quick, easy fix, get it back going. Somebody could definitely use that. It's about an 18 cubic foot, good, solid box. It does have an electronic control board, and somebody did bypass the walls. That's not a big deal. As long as it doesn't have a leak, and that compressor was just barely pumping. I guess they get blow by, basically. But yeah, quick, easy fix. Thank y'all for watching. Now I just gotta clean it. It's stinky. And don't forget, there's your technical data sheet if you wanted to put it into diagnostic. I can't remember, but you know, you put it into the coldest setting, then you press and hold the door switch and the left button for 5 seconds and it goes into the flash mode, blah, blah, blah. But this unit had the bypass wall, so we checked it for leaks, no leak. Then we checked the cheap xiparta compressor, and it didn't pull down past 15, so it wasn't pumping all the way. So we put this embraco in there. Low side, high side, all copper, very easy. Schrader valve, bam, bam, done.
Oh no, don't get my stanky Whirlpool wet. That's the good juice there. Spanky. It ain't gonna be perfect, but it ain't gonna stank. Get that doo-doo out. Get that stank out. Woo! I don't know what that is, but it's stuck on good.
Beautiful, no more stank. Yeah, it's good. Alrighty, y'all, we made it to the end of the video. Got her all cleaned up. All I gotta do is let it dry out, put it in the sun, let it dry out, plug it in, get her cold, take some junk, turn it into 400 bucks basically. So yeah, keyword time. If you made it all the way through the end of the video, this one was stanky. So, well, now it's fresh, but it was stanky. We'll call this box stanky. But this is a good unit now. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. Look at that. Birds chirping, blue sky. Turn a stanky box fresh. Later.